Need to reuse a successful funnel without starting from scratch? In this video, I'll show you how to clone a funnel in System.io in just a few steps. Step 1. Open your funnels. Log into your System.io account and click on Funnels from the left-hand menu. Find the funnel you want to duplicate. Step 2. Duplicate the funnel. Look for the duplicate or clone option available for the funnel. Select it and create a copy with a new name so you can easily identify it later. Step 3. Review the copy. Open the cloned funnel and check each page, including opt-in pages, thank you pages, and checkout steps. Update any text, images, or links that should be different for your new campaign. Step 4. Verify products and automations. If your funnel includes products, email campaigns, or automation rules, confirm that everything is connected correctly before publishing. Step 5. Test before launch. Preview the funnel and run through the complete user journey to ensure every page and button works as expected. That's it! Cloning funnels saves time and helps you launch new campaigns much faster. If you're ready to start building your own funnels, check out the first link in the description to explore System.io. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.